Everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about this book, that is Bookstore Management Portfolio Project for Beginners. So before a week I have released this particular video, that is a complete explanation video on how to create a book management, which is a clear step by step explanation for those who wanted to develop a project in AL programming, that is a business central. Okay, so this will be available only for the members after a few days. Okay, so before that, if you want to watch it, please go and watch that. So the thing is what, whenever I create any specific thing, like any specific video on a complete end to end thing, so I'll be creating a ebook for that as well. So that book you can find it here in my ebook store. So you can, I will be leaving the link in the pinned comment section, so you can find it here. So let me just check, like I'll just show you like what are all the key points which you can find it in the book. Okay, so this is the complete book where you can see here that this is a bookstore management system. Okay, it will start from the objective, what it actually talks about, a learning outcome, use case, what actually we have done it here, a scenario, what are the requirements. Okay, so manage book inventory and track lending details and everything, example use cases and report, and you can find what are the components which I have used it here. So tables, pages, coordinate, query and report, and all these components have been clearly explained, what are the columns which are included and everything here. Okay, so detailed overview of each object, you can also find each and everything here. Okay, table structure, book table, and what are the lending tables, so how many tables I have used, all these tables, all the pages and everything has been clearly explained with the coordinate and the report. Okay, so what is that report is all about, so you can find this complete information here in the book. And also I have attached all the codes. Okay, you can find here that if you just click here, you can see that what are the things which you will be getting it along with us, so you can find the code. So complete project documentation, full code for each object involved, so you can create and manage tables for book inventory and lending transactions. Design, you can create, you will learn how to create a list card and list and card pages with the required properties of each pages. Okay, you can implement essential data validations, how to add data validations to it. You can create master creating queries and everything, generate detailed reports and everything. And those who are really looking to improve your skill and knowledge in business central and AL programming, you can definitely try this book. So what I'm planning is, I'm planning to reduce this price even more, like you can get it, so I'll just show the reduced price here. So this is actually actual price is 401, even that is a discounted price. So now I have reduced it even more down, like you can buy it now for 299, and this price is only for 10 days, for the next 10 days. So if you buy before that, you will be getting all the code and the complete documentation of the project, so you can get it from here. Okay, so this is what, if you have any queries, if you require any guidance, personal guidance for your career, your certification readiness, mock interview, and if you want me to conduct a mock interview or resume review, career guidance, you can just schedule a call here. I'm also giving this link in the pinned comment section. And yes, you can see this video. Okay, as I told, this video is also available only for a few days. Okay, and this is my blog. So if you are not following my blog, please go and follow my blog. So click here to follow this, where I'll be updating many informations about all the technology. Okay, so thank you, take care, and bye bye. I'll meet you soon with the next e-digital book and also an exciting project. Take care, bye bye.